In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Accordion blocks Squarespace 7.1. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and go to Website, then Pages. This is where you can manage the structure of your site and choose exactly where you want your Accordion content to appear. Once you are in Pages, select the page you want to update. After that, click Edit in the top left corner so you can begin making changes directly on the page. When the page editor opens, move your cursor over the section grid where you want the Accordion block to go. You will see the Add Block option, or the plus icon, appear in the editor. Click that to open the block menu. From the list of available blocks, choose Accordion. This block is useful when you want to organize content into expandable sections, which can help keep a page clean and easier to read. As soon as the Accordion block is added, you can drag and drop the new block frame into the exact position you want on your layout grid. Take a moment here to place it carefully so it fits well with the rest of your design. Positioning matters, especially if you are trying to maintain a balanced and professional-looking page layout. Next, click the pencil icon on the Accordion block. This opens the configuration panel for that specific block. Inside this panel, you will find the settings that control how the Accordion behaves and appears on the page. From there, switch to the Design tab. This is where you can adjust the visual presentation of the Accordion block so it matches the style of your website. The Design tab is important because it gives you control over how the Accordion looks within your page layout. If you are aiming for consistency across your site, this is the place to review those visual settings before publishing your changes. Even a quick check here can help make sure the block works well with the rest of your page design. Once you are finished, go to the top left corner of the main workspace and click Save. This publishes your changes and makes your Accordion dropdowns live on the page. It is always a good idea to save only after you have confirmed the block is in the right spot and the design settings look the way you want. That covers everything you need to know.